So, Mr. Shreyas Rao, you are a leading advocate of this country. What do you think of the current protest and how things are panning out, according to you?
I do agree that there is a lot of resentment and apathy on the part of the administration and the government. And this frustration is manifesting on the part of the youth of this country. They believe that petitioning, going to the courts, they have lost faith basically in the institutions of this country, and they believe that taking to the streets, agitation is going to get them solutions. However, there are certain things they have done is unjustified. There have been certain excesses, violating certain prohibitory orders by the police. But that does happen. But then this does send out a message that yes, that there is a strong sense of frustration, and this frustration has reached orgasmic levels.
So now that the minister has resigned, do you think that is sufficient enough to change the system?
It's difficult because the minister has resigned, but the protesters and Mr. Wangchuk may have few more demands, because the very fact the nationwide this protest was not just confined to Delhi, but the protests occurred in different parts of the country, and the intensity of the protests, and in addition to that the protesters' fervor, rigor and enthusiasm was such, and the youngsters were fearless. They dared to confront the police. So I believe they may have few more demands, and if their demands are met, then I think this will de-intensify and get diffused. But this is an indication that people have now realized that unless they don't really take up cudgels against any establishment or an elected government that is not catering to their demand or any kind of an administrative lapse, then they will protest. And this is what is this is a manifestation, and in the future any elected government should ensure that they must deliver and keep their promises, and make it a point there are no lapses where either the students or people from the middle class don't suffer ultimately.
And all through that protest, you have also seen a lot of foreign nationals coming in and covering this. So you think there was an attempt to bring the government down?
Well, they could be people from, people from, they could be foreign channels, foreign news channels, or they could be fringe elements. It's very difficult, but then I'm sure they could be under the radar of the investigative agencies. If they are caught, they must be taken to task. But yes, this protest, does have a flip side, and this protest also in some way could be justified. The protest was a necessary evil, and on the other side, the protest took an ugly turn. So, but at the end of the day, I believe they have succeeded by so much furor. But I hope that they should now know where to draw the line. But I don't think now they should hold the country at ransom. Thank you.
All right, thank you.